Let us talk quickly about computer vision and human vision in 5 minutes. Then I'll be switching to the last part, major application areas. Human vision and computer vision, look at this picture. The first picture says that what we see here is this, but what computer understands, what computer sees is numbers. I have already explained. Look at the second diagram. Human vision has, there is an input. Human vision has eyes. It is used for as sensing device. It goes to brain. Then human vision system identifies there is a bowl, there are oranges, there are other fruits, there are there are peaches and other fruits are there in that bowl. It says that. That is human brain and human visual system. What computer vision says, what computer vision and how computer vision understands, same input is given to the sensing device. It goes to computer, which is interpreting device. Computer machine itself is not the interpreting device. It has capabilities of machine learning. It has capability of artificial intelligence that actually helps computers to interpret. Computer itself is a processing device, is a computing device, is ordinarily computing device. But as far as interpretation is concerned, as far as decision-making capability is concerned, it's made inside computer because of machine learning and artificial intelligence. So this is one interesting, the comparison between human vision and computer vision. You look at here, human vision maximum, there is a survey, there are studies which suggest that human field of view is 220 degree. We can see the world maximum span of 220 degree. Whereas the computer vision, it can have rotatory camera and rotatory sensing devices, and it can capture the entire world in 360 degree, all the directions, whereas human eyes have, the limitations. Privacy is there. Computer vision searches, analyzes the countless images and videos and other pieces of information which are stored online somewhere. So this is the limitation in computer vision. Most of the things which are stored somewhere online. So there is always some matter, issue related to the privacy of the data which is stored inside the computer. So that is always sometimes considered as privacy issues related to the data, which is not at all there in human vision, right? But human vision has a limitation. How much of data you can store? It's difficult thing. How far we can see? Standing on the flat surface with our eyes about 5 feet of the ground, we can see the objects 3 miles away maximum. And the computer's capability. It can see the world, far, far away. The next point is persistence. I'm just moving to the points quickly. I'm just trying to compare human vision and computer vision. Persistence, you look at this picture. If you try to interpret this picture, is very difficult, very, very difficult. In which direction the other, the circular shapes are moving, whether they are moving in clockwise, anti-clockwise, how many objects are there. Look at this interesting picture. Very, very difficult. So the computer, human eyes persistence, human eyes understanding, human eyes interpretation capability has its own limitation. Whereas the same image can be easily interpreted by the computer vision. You can look at here, persistence of vision of human eye, normal human eye is 1/16 second. 1/16 second, that much movement is there, we can detect. But computer vision doesn't have any persistence matter. Even it is 1/100 second, 1/200 second, it can interpret the images very quickly. Whereas human eye and brain can only process 10 to 12 separate images per second. But if per second 1,000 and 2,000 images are there, very difficult for human eyes to understand and to process. Whereas computer vision does it. Both are biased. There are research, I have just given a link here. There are research, works going on in this area. Debiasing humans is harder than debiasing AI system. AI system, which is computer vision, and we human being, we are all biased. So it said that there is, the research going on in Princeton. It says that computer vision is also biased. So this was all about computer vision versus human vision.